childhood long ago was going out to a picture show. No computers, no mobile phones, no color TVs in our homes. Our playground was the street back then, playing football with our friends. But the best time of the week for us was heading to the matinee show. Cowboys, they were big back then. John Wayne was my main man, and even times when he got shot, he always won the day. Flash Gordon took us into space long before we had Star Trek, and Stan and Ollie, they made us laugh when they got into another fine mess. There was popcorn and candy and stars up on the screen. Our eyes wide open as the lights began to dim, while we were sitting in the Commodore in old Strabane. Well, it's sad to see those days are gone. The stars no longer shine. The Commodore long since closed down, but its memories still remind of happy days when times were tough, but we still had our fun. And going to the picture show, it was our #1. There was popcorn and candy and stars up on the screen. Our eyes wide open as the lights began to dim, while we were sitting in the Commodore in old Strabane. There was popcorn and candy and stars up on the screen. Our eyes wide open as the lights began to dim, while we were sitting in the Commodore in old Strabane. We all were sitting in the Commodore in old Strabane. The Commodore in old Strabane.